business is suffering from profit leaks? Profit leaks mean you're losing money without even knowing it. The biggest cause of profit leaks is the phenomenon called link rot. And yes, it is as bad as it sounds. Link rot, also called dead links, is when a page has broken links that don't lead anywhere. And did you know you can eliminate your profit leaks with just one simple tool? If not, then you can find out by attending the pre-launch webinar of Simple Click Tracker 7.0 by Jen Purdue, the CEO of mynams.com, with a novice to advanced marketing systems professionals this Tuesday, August 22nd at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Just by attending this live webinar, you'll receive a free copy of Simple Click Tracker 7.0, and they will show you how to use your free copy to find out if you have the dreaded link rot and what to do about it. Just click the link below to